Let's take a closer look at the package contents of the KOSPET Tank X1, a fitness tracker that claims to be as tough as a tank. The first thing that strikes you is the durability-centric packaging. The box exudes a rugged style, hinting at what's inside. Almost all the information printed on the surface emphasizes the watch's robust design and resilience. Notably, it proudly showcases its military standard certification, underlining its reliability. Inside the box, you'll find three key components. Firstly, there's the user manual, which serves as your guide to unlocking all the features and functionalities of the Tank X1. Secondly, you'll discover the charging dock, essential for keeping this powerhouse juiced up for your daily activities. And last but certainly not least, the star of the show, the Tank X1 smartwatch itself. The KOSPET Tank X1 has versatile functionality, making it a compelling option for fitness enthusiasts and adventurers alike. Stay tuned as we explore its design, durability, display, and software. Display. The KOSPET Tank X1 boasts a 1.47-inch AMOLED display, which immediately grabs your attention with its vibrant colors and sharp visuals. With a resolution of 198 by 368 pixels, it provides a clear and crisp interface that's a pleasure to navigate. One of the standout features here is the AOD, or Always-On Display feature. Unlike some other smartwatches that claim to have AOD but don't truly keep the display on, the Tank X1's AOD functionality is genuinely impressive. In continuous AOD mode, it displays essential information like the time and notifications without compromise. This ensures that you always have access to crucial information at a glance without the need to wake the screen. What's more, the display's brightness is impressive, making it easily readable even under bright sunlight. This exceptional screen quality, coupled with its rugged build, ensures that the KOSPET Tank X1 is a reliable companion for outdoor activities. Durability tests. The KOSPET Tank X1 is not just a fitness tracker. It's built to withstand the rigors of an active lifestyle. With an IP69K high-pressure water resistance rating, it claims to be able to handle the equivalent of 100 meters of water pressure. It's also able to withstand multiple drop tests from a height of 1.5 meters onto a hard surface. Now that's impressive shock resistance. Software features. It offers a wide range of 70 sports modes, catering to various physical activities, making it your personal fitness coach. Additionally, it takes health seriously with 24-hour heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen detection, sleep tracking, and blood pressure measurement, providing valuable insights. Beyond fitness and health, the Tank X1 serves as a remote control for your phone's music playback and camera, enhancing convenience during workouts and on-the-go moments. Its user-friendly interface ensures accessibility for users of all tech levels. GPS and languages. The KOSPET Tank X1 uses your smartphone's GPS system for location tracking. While lacking a built-in GPS sensor, this decision is practical, especially considering its budget-friendly price. Most users have their smartphones with them during outdoor activities, making this reliance on phone GPS quite reasonable. The Tank X1 impressively supports 10 system languages, ensuring accessibility for users worldwide. This thoughtful inclusion breaks language barriers and enhances the user experience, allowing individuals from various regions to comfortably use the device. Thanks for watching. If you found this review useful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon. Check out these videos here, and we'll see you in the next one.